Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master Q300L V2 mini tower PC case. So friend, Cooler Master announced the release of the Q300L V2 mini tower PC case. The product is compatible with MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboard and is revised version of the earlier model. And friend, the updated Q300L V2 features several enhancements in its design and functionality. The left side panel has been upgraded from acrylic to tempered glass, adding the durability and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, it includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, enhancing data transfer capability and connectivity, and the case is designed to support both vertical and horizontal installation, providing versatility in setup. And the front panel includes a magnetically attached dust filter, which has been redesigned for improved functionality. To maximize airflow and the cooling efficiency, the case features perforation of the front, top and bottom panels, and in terms of storage capacity, it offers one 3.5-inch shadow bay and two 2.5-inch shadow bays, and the cooling system is compatible with various fan and radiator sizes to 120 or 140 fans or 120 or 240 radiator at the front and two 120 fans on the top and one 120 fan at the rear. And the case accommodates a power supply unit up to 160 in depth, CPU cooler up to 159 in height, and graphics card up to 360 in length. And friend, the external access port include two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type C port, and a 3.5 audio jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.